What's up, watch fam? Ever look at your wrist and think, man, this thing needs an upgrade? Something that looks amazing, has great style and keeps its value? Well, don't worry, because today we're checking out the world of luxury watches. We're talking about 10 incredible watches that are really worth it. Hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell because you're about to see some seriously cool watches. Number 10. Patek Philippe Aquanaut. The Patek Philippe Aquanaut is a sporty yet sophisticated watch for active lifestyles. It features a rounded octagonal case in stainless steel or white gold with a unique black composite strap. Prices start around $67,300 for the stainless steel model with a black dial and date function. More complex features like chronographs or exotic materials can push the price up to $140,000 or more. All Aquanaut models are water-resistant to 30 meters. The Aquanaut is known for its comfortable water-resistant rubber strap and its casual yet sophisticated look. This combination of luxury and practicality makes it an attractive option for those seeking a luxury watch that can keep up with an active lifestyle. Number 9. Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso is a timeless watch icon known for its reversible case. Invented in 1931 to shield the delicate crystal during polo matches, the Reverso's rectangular case ingeniously flips over. This functionality, combined with its Art Deco elegance, propelled it to fame. Prices for a Reverso can range widely depending on materials and features. Simpler models start around $3,300 approx, while intricate complications like perpetual calendars can push the price well over $55,000 approx. Number 8. A. Lange and Söhne. Lange 1. The A. Lange and Söhne. Lange 1, instantly recognizable for its off-center dial layout featuring the prominent Lange outsized date, is a legend in the world of watchmaking. This iconic timepiece, launched in 1994 to mark the brand's return after German reunification, quickly garnered acclaim for its innovative design and exceptional quality. The Lang 1 houses the Lang L1 movement, a testament to German watchmaking precision. This intricate caliber features stunning finishing details like a swan neck regulator and a hand-engraved balance cock, visible through the sapphire crystal caseback. Prices for the Lang 1 start around $31,000 for the stainless steel model, but increase for precious metals like yellow gold, white gold, or platinum. Additionally, models with complex features like perpetual calendars or chronographs can reach significantly higher price points. Number 7. Vacheron Constantin Overseas. The Vacheron Constantin Overseas is famous for its versatility, making it a top choice for luxury sports watch enthusiasts. Made from either stainless steel or 18K gold, this stylish watch effortlessly goes from rugged adventures to formal events, thanks to its smart interchangeable strap system. It runs on Vacheron Constantin's reliable in-house movements, known for their accuracy and functionality. The Overseas features a beautifully finished dial and various complications, depending on the model, for those who love extra features. Prices start at $24,100 for a basic stainless steel version, but can exceed $100,000 for more complicated models made from precious metals like platinum and equipped with features like perpetual calendars or chronographs. Number 6. Cartier Santos Dumont. The Cartier Santos Dumont, a timeless icon, is known for its elegant square design inspired by the early pilot watches. Created in 1904 for aviator Alberto Santos Dumont, it's the oldest wristwatch design still in production by Cartier. The watch features a sleek Roman numeral dial housed in a polished steel case with signature rounded corners and blue cabochon crown. Modern Santos Dumont models come in various sizes and materials, with some featuring automatic movements. Prices start around $6,800 for a mid-size steel model with a manual wind movement, but can reach over $40,000 for larger models in precious metals with automatic movements and additional complications. Number 5. Rolex Daytona. The Rolex Daytona, a legendary watch known for its tachymeter bezel used to measure speeds, is a chronograph designed for professional endurance drivers. First introduced in 1963 to meet the needs of the Daytona International Speedway, it quickly became popular for its functionality, rugged build, and sleek design. The Daytona comes in various case materials, including stainless steel, 18K yellow, white, or Everose gold, and even platinum. It features a distinctive 3-dial layout for chronograph timing and measuring elapsed time. Its strong connection to motorsports and timeless design makes it a favorite among watch collectors and enthusiasts. Due to its high demand and limited production, the Daytona often has waitlists at authorized dealers, and its value can remain steady or even increase over time. Prices start at around $14,000 for the base stainless steel model and can soar above $100,000 for versions made from precious metals or rare vintage models, with some fetching hundreds of thousands of dollars at auctions. Number 4. Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch. The Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch, legendary for being the first watch on the moon, is known for its spaceflight heritage. Worn by Buzz Aldrin during the Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969, it became forever linked to human exploration. This chronograph features a distinctive black tachymeter bezel and a black step dial with luminous hands. The Speedmaster Professional is crafted from stainless steel and houses a reliable manual wound chronograph movement. Due to its historical significance, it remains a popular choice for watch enthusiasts and space exploration aficionados. Prices for the Moonwatch start around $7,000 and can increase slightly for special editions or variations with unique features. Number 3. Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. The Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, a luxury icon, is known for its distinctive octagonal case with exposed screws. Launched in 1972, it defied traditional watch design with its bold aesthetics and use of stainless steel, a luxury material at the time. The Royal Oak features a tapisserie dial with various color options and a sturdy integrated bracelet. Modern Royal Oak models come in a variety of sizes, materials, and complications. Prices start around $17,000 for a basic stainless steel model with a quartz movement, but can skyrocket to over $100,000 for complicated models in precious metals with intricate features like tourbillons or perpetual calendars. Number 2. Patek Philippe Nautilus. The Patek Philippe Nautilus, a status symbol, is known for its sporty elegance and porthole-inspired case. Pioneering the luxury steel sports watch in 1976, it combined refined aesthetics with water resistance for active lifestyles. The Nautilus features a horizontal embossed dial with various colors and a distinctive integrated bracelet. Modern Nautilus models come in a variety of sizes and materials. Prices start around $30,000 for a stainless steel model with a date function, but can reach well over $200,000 for complicated models in precious metals featuring intricate features like perpetual calendars or chronographs. Number 1. Rolex Submariner. The Rolex Submariner, a dive watch icon, is renowned for its superior water resistance. Debuting in 1953, it revolutionized dive watches with its robust construction and ability to withstand depths of up to 300 meters 1,000 feet. The Submariner features a classic black dial with luminous hands and a unidirectional rotating bezel for tracking dive time. Available in stainless steel or a combination of steel and gold, it boasts a timeless and functional design. Prices start at around $8,000 for the base stainless steel model, but can climb well above $15,000 for precious metal variations or rare vintage models. Alright folks, that's it for our look at 10 incredible luxury watches worth investing in. Alright folks, that's it for our look at 10 incredible luxury watches worth investing in. If you enjoyed seeing these stunning timepieces, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And if you're looking for even more watch content, hit that subscribe button and join the Watch Fam. I'll be back soon with more dives into the world of horology, so stay tuned. Until then, thanks for watching.